Live from Studio 46, this is CBS 2 News.
Now to an update on the health of the Mets captain, and unfortunately it is not good.
David Wright will miss at least the next 2 months with a herniated disc. But what does this mean for the career, the season? A lot to think about. CBS 2's Steve Overmeyer here now with all of this. Steve.
Yeah, certainly a step backwards right now for David Wright, who has been visiting doctors, and he tried a number of different treatments to relieve the pain in his neck. Nothing eased the pain, at least not enough for him to get back on the field. Now, not only his season is in jeopardy, so is his career. It's no fun watching a star fade.
David's a very resilient guy. He's bounced back from what was supposed to be a career-ending injury last year with his spine. So I really feel this won't be the end for him.
After missing most of last season with spinal stenosis, David Wright will be missing for an extended period this year. And we emphasize miss.
Every Mets fan wants him back. But New York is, as we are, we love you and we hate you if you're doing good or doing bad.
Wright has spent his entire 15-year career with the Mets. But at 33, his body may be giving out. Plenty of players have come back from a herniated disc, most notably Peyton Manning, who actually came back from disc fusion surgery. Wright is opting for rehab right now, which might not get him back to 100%.
It may go from him being here to going down to about there, and then when he gets his conservative treatments and no surgery, gets a little higher but not high enough, in which case he has to make the decision with his surgeon. Does he want to take the chance of having the neck fusion so that he can try to get himself up to 100%?
Dr. Tehrany has worked with physicians from the Jets, the Rangers, and the Islanders, and the biggest challenge for Wright is being able to perform pain-free.
It can be anywhere from 6 to 12 months before they're ready to get back because they have to get their body mechanics together.
It's a multi-million-dollar player. If you had a multi-million-dollar house and your boiler broke, would you just throw away your house? You would repair it to the best of your ability.
He's given 110% every time he's been out on the field. You know, he doesn't shy away from criticism. He epitomizes what a New Yorker is.
Well, the Mets do have an insurance clause on Wright, which would pay 75% of his contract. He still has 4 years left on his deal. Obviously, every reason to return to the Mets. But Maurice Christine, earlier this year, Wright said that he has not had a pain-free day since before last season, before the spinal stenosis injury.
It's got to be so frustrating because a game you love, a team that you lead,
right,
and a painful injury like this, so
that's
tough.
Another really good point. I mean, let's remember, this guy is the captain. He is a clubhouse leader.
Yeah.
That he will not be in that clubhouse is going to be another thing they miss apart from just his bat.
Yep, got to fix that boiler, Steve.
That's right.
Thank you.
Heal it up.
Yes.
Simply put.
Fix it. All right.